Hey, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to talk to you about this suit carry-on garment bag. This suit carry-on garment bag from Zegur has been covering all of our needs. This is perfect for a business trip or for traveling. I love how it has 3 straps so you can put your suits or your dresses knowing that they're going to remain clean and unwrinkled. I also love that it has multiple zippered pockets which make it super easy to add anything you need to bring to your trip. Right here I was preparing this one for my husband, so I added everything he needed for his meetings. Even his shoes were able to fit in here. Once you close it, you're going to see that it's not bulky at all. It is beautiful, it is super high quality, and I am loving it. Not only the inside, but also the outside where you can have access to your wallet, your pen, or any document. You're gonna be loving the double zipper as well. Very nice, easy to open, and smooth. In the back, it also has an extra zippered pocket where you can add your device or any important document. And of course, this can be attached to your carry-on. So you are getting everything you need on this bag. We highly recommend it. This suit carry-on will definitely keep your suits, your dresses wrinkle-free and very clean, but that's just my point of view.